If you ever found this mysterious cat, stay away immediately.
Bro, that is seriously creepy. Is that a cat or a spider?
But first, if you think this kitten is adorable, like and subscribe. Cold, alone, and abandoned. Feel free to drop a heart and sad emoji if you believe good things will happen for this cat. May a billion angels shower you with blessings. A viral video shows a cat that has a spider legs is lurking on someone's kitchen. But don't worry, it's just AI generated and edited. But if it were real, will you still keep it?